Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL User Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I hope you really have a nice holiday break. And today we're coming back with science lab experience that you never seen before, or you probably have. So today we're going to make a snowflake crystal experiment. So what you need with this experiment is really easy. So you probably already have pipe cleaner from previous experiment. Either way, you can have white as I have here, or green, or whatever color you prefer. Okay, and then this is optional, a food coloring. So if you don't have a food coloring, that's fine with me. And then if you have something like this, it's a clothing pin. This is a wooden one. I would prefer the wooden one instead of plastic one. And then you might want to find a big one instead of the mini one, because the mini one wouldn't work. Okay. And then we also need a glass jar like so. This is an 8 ounces mason jar. But if you don't have mason jar, any kind of glass jar works, as long as it's a glass jar. Okay. And then I need a glass container because we are going to use hot water in here. And then of course borax. Be careful, if you're using borax, you probably need the adult supervision. And then I have popsicle stick here to stir everything up. But then if you don't have popsicle stick, you can use a plastic spoon as well. Okay. So first thing first is you're going to measure 2 tablespoons of borax into the hot water. So I put 2 tablespoons of borax and I put 2 cups of hot water in here. So I give it a stir like so. Okay. And then what you want to do is you make a snowflake with the pipe cleaner. So what I did is I just twisted around like so. So that's like perfect as long as you created a snow like this. So it's more like a star shape, like so. And then I just cut it a little bit because it doesn't fit in the mason jar, so it looks like so. Okay. Then you open your mason jar. That. Okay. And then you want to clip the clothing pin into here. And then you submerge it like so. So it's hanging like that. All right. Okay, this is up to you, but you don't really have to. I'm going to put 3 drops of food coloring into my borax solution. Alright, 3 is enough, and then you stir it with your pipe cleaner. With your popsicle stick. Okay, like so. Okay, and then after that, you're just going to pour the borax solution into the snowflake pipe cleaner, the one that you had. Okay, so then it's going to look like so. See, the snowflakes is immersed on the borax solution. And then you might want to leave it for, I say, 24 hours or 2 days, depending on how hot the water is. And then after that, you will see a crystallization hanging into the pipe cleaner like so. Okay, don't touch it, leave it like so, because borax is really dangerous. You might want to leave it overnight, so then you will have a crystallization the next day. Alright, I hope you're having fun with it. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment down below. I will leave all the direction and then all the ingredients that you need in the description down below. Until next experiment, I hope you have a good day at school, and then stay tuned for our story time and Make It Monday. Have a good day, everybody.